is Matthew Lehman. I'm the general manager of the Grand Bohemian Lodge, Asheville. I've been here for a little more than 5 years and now rebuild once again following the damage caused by Hurricane Helene. In late September of last year, after days of heavy rain, we received notice from our friends at the county here that they were expecting that floodwaters would be reaching our area.
In downtown Asheville, a state of emergency has been declared as torrential rainfall continues to batter western North Carolina.
Flash flooding has forced evacuations across the region. Emergency crews are stretched thin as businesses and homes go underwater, including parts of Asheville's historic district.
We evacuated all the guests up the street to higher ground. I remained with some of my staff, put up all the flood walls around the property, started getting things ready for the flood.
We actually started putting towels down on the doors. And then when the towels actually went through the door, we realized this sucks. And we all put on our spa slippers and started playing in the water. Shortly after that, everyone went upstairs.
By 7 a.m., I couldn't get back to the manor. The first floor was now 8 feet deep in water. We watched as windows and walls blew out from the water pressure.
The Grand Bohemian Hotel and Biltmore Village is among the buildings impacted by sudden flooding. First responders are urging residents to avoid travel as roads turn to rivers.
The French Broad River has risen beyond its flood stage, cutting off entire neighborhoods. With power and communication down in some areas, the full extent of the damage is still unknown.
This storm has brought unprecedented rainfall, and communities across Asheville are bracing for the worst.
We called BMS CAT as soon as we had a cell phone signal. They'd been recommended by a sister property of ours. They rapidly responded to us. We were faced with literally feet of silt and mud, and the waters within the hotel had moved furniture, even destroying an entire grand piano which we found inside the bar. Within a day or two, we had what felt like an army of people arrive. Massive trucks, every bit of equipment you could want, and they moved with just unbelievable speed to solve every problem. Their first concern wasn't just the building, it was our people, bringing supplies, auto fuel, bottled water, even diapers and baby formula for team members whose families were stranded. We literally disassembled the entire lobby board by board, handcrafted wood paneling, antique columns, and door surrounds to get it out for cleaning and preservation before it was lost forever. BMS CAT team's communication and their urgency really gave us a lot of confidence in feeling that we could be back soon. We were told the best case we could hope for would be 1.5 years. We did it in half that time, and that's something we're really proud of.
This was the worst devastation that I have encountered in 47 years of facilities maintenance.
Without BMS CAT, we simply couldn't have recovered.
It was emotionally, it was so helpful just to be back working at the property, not necessarily at the front desk. Knowing we were moving toward reopening,